Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Tableau Tutorials. In the previous video, we have seen about how to create a bar chart and how to create a calculated field and how to represent that calculated field in the bar chart or pie chart. And in this video, I am going to explain about how to add colors to that particular bar chart that we have created previously. So that is what I am showing here previously. So this is the bar chart that we created in the previous lectures. But now I want to add few colors to this depending upon the regions as well as depending upon the representative. So I am going to add the few colors. So now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here let me open the show me as well. So these are the graphs that we are having currently. So these are the automatically, there are few graphs which automatically gives the colors for you, but this is one of the graph, and one more graph is this is the one more graph which will give automatically the colors. But let me show you how it can be done with respect to this. Oh, 1 second, the order was changed. And you need to be careful with the orders. 1 second. Yeah, you need to be careful with the orders that we have in the columns and as well as with the rows, because if you interchange, so if the 1 second, yeah, so now we are having region as a first and then representation as a second. So that is why we are getting central here, and then below we are having representative. And then if you replace rep as a first, like representation as a first and then region as a second, so this is how you will be getting. So what it is doing is, the first column will take it as a representative, that means Alex, Bill, James, Matthew and all, and the second the second column with respect to is the region, that means central, west and then east. Like that it will give the information about it. So if we do, you need to be careful with that, depending upon the output that you want and depending upon the what you want to calculate, you need to do the segregation, and you need to be very careful with the order of placing it in the rows as well as in the columns. So this is one of the thing. And then if you click on the colors here, so if you want to change the entire color of the sheets in all the regions, you can click directly here in the, suppose if you want to convert it into some red or pink, you can click on it, and if you want to convert it into green, then you can click on the green. So this is all about how changing the colors, and we have a lot more things here, having a more colors here option, and you can also create the hash code there. And if you don't want the exact 100% of opacity, you can also decrease it to little bit, and you can make this to transparent as well. If you do it to 0, then no graph will be there, but if it is something like this, then you can use the you can do the opacity adjustment here. But here I don't want to do any opacity adjustment, I want 100%. Similarly here the effects is border is automatic, but if you want to change the border color as well, then if you click on the orange here, then you can slightly observe that the border color is orange here. But if you want it as sky blue, then you can see the sky blue color for the border. There is a very slight change for that. And if it is a pink, then you can also see the slight change in the pink as well. So if it is black, then you can see the black clearly. But for now I am just keeping it as black. So this is how you can change the color of the entire graph or entire chart, all the fields in the chart, and you can also change the color of the bars as well. But now if you want to change the color of the, so suppose if I want colors of Alex as one, and if I want the colors of Bill as different from the rest of the things, and so simply what I want to say is, for if you want each and every representative color as different, then you can use some concept known as, so here we have a representative column in dimensions. So simply you can click here and drag and drop that particular dimensions in the colors. So what it will show is, so previously our background color is the border color is black, so that is why it is showing black. So if you don't want it, then just click here and then click automatic. So it won't show anything as a border, but here the representative is in the colors field. So this is the icon that is represents the colors. And what you can observe here is no one is same as the other one. So if you observe the like Morgan, it is dark green. If it is Nick, then it is slight green. And if it is Smith, then it is dark sky blue. And again if it is Susan, then it is slight blue. So depending upon the values, then it will show the all the things. So like this it will show. But now one more thing I want to illustrate is, suppose if I want to show, like if I want to represent only the central region people in one color, and east region people in another color, and west region people in one more color, then how can I do that is, so simply drag and drop the region into colors. So here it will show you. So previously there is reps, now it was overlapped with the regions. So what it is showing is all the central colors are in blue, and all the east colors, all the east regions are in orange, and west regions are in some pink color. So this is how you can change the colors, like you can able to change the colors of one bar at a time, or you can also make yeah, like one particular region colors into each one, and another particular region colors into one color. So in that way you can do that by placing the what are the fields that you want into the colors field. So this is how you can do coloring for the chart that you have created. And in the coming videos we are going to see few more concepts about the labeling and texting.